Hey guys, how you doing? What's your name? So I'm here back with another video. So today I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my room. I live at LoboVillage. I'm going to school at UNM right now, so that's why I'm living there. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's pretend we haven't walked in yet. So here we are. This is your front door. Let's see. So you're gonna walk in. There's on my room I have a little hallway. Let me show you. This is the hallway. And you have your closet in here. There's the other rooms, they look kind of different, but these ones look like this. I have a lot of random stuff, but it's a decent size. I don't even use this side of the closet because I don't have much stuff. And then we have a little poster and some lights. I have these lights, they're so blinding, my eyes are always so lost. I'm watching TV right now. I have this calendar. This one says September. This one says August. Guys, it's November. So anyways, this is kind of how it looks. Sorry I didn't put the dishes away. I haven't vacuumed either, but I got this little thing here. You can make these, you can rearrange the furniture however you want. This is just kind of how I did it. I don't have really anything in here. Oh, but if you go this way, you have your own bathroom, which is really cool. So I write little inspirational quotes on the bathroom. That's so weird, huh? Nah, but I like it. Oh, you got your own shower, your own, I don't know, stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cute. And then this is the view from right here. I need to rehang these lights. They keep falling and I just don't know what to do anymore. Yeah, your little bed. It's a full-size bed, so that's good. That's really cool. I could just close this because we're it. All right, so that's pretty much it. We have I love this board. I do pretty much everything on it. You can see doing my homework now. The hallway looks better from this angle. You have your smoke detectors and stuff. Sorry guys, that was just a quick little tour. So eventually I'll get stuff hung up. It's already the first semester is about to end, but I'm gonna be here next semester too, and we're gonna decorate the living room this next semester finally, now that we've been talking about it all semester and how we can decorate, but I'll show you the entire apartment and the whole living space and everything like that eventually once we get it all together. But thank you guys for watching. Sorry it was so short. It's just a little dorm tour, and let me know what you think. Bye.